So, how's the day treating you guys? Hey everyone, welcome to the session. Hope you all are doing fine. uh, चलो एक और आरसी करते हैं. हमारी मेहनत जारी रहेगी. We'll keep practicing with a lot of different types of RCs, some PYQs, some non-PYQs, some mota, some chota, some lamba, some andha, some not so andha. बोले तो आप समझ गए, right? डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ आरसीज. ठहरो यार, ये मेरा ना चार्जर लगाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, ये बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. आ आई एम प्लग्ड इन. ओके. हाँ. सो हर तरह का आरसी, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम ब्रिंगिंग फॉर यू. ओके. कीप द स्पिरिट हाई. वील कीप द बॉल गोइंग, लाइक रोलिंग. एंड और क्या, बस कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखेंगे हर सेशन में. That is what my intention is, and I sincerely hope you guys are working very hard. But besides all these RCs and practice sessions and questions and all, if you all are not doing your daily reading, that's going to actually bum you later. So don't come crying to me in the end saying हमने तो आपके RC 100 में से ना 80 तो कर ही लिए थे. 80 करके भी मैम कोई फायदा तो हुआ नहीं. तो फिर तब मैं आपसे पलट के यही पूछूंगी कि बेटा आपने रीडिंग कितने दिन की थी. If you think the reading is happening along with your RC passages, no, think twice. Because when we do these RC passages, I teach you how to do smart reading, how to identify the points and kind of nail the main idea, do a little bit of skimming and then move on. So actually, I'm not teaching you how to read very carefully in these sessions. तो reading कब हो रही है आपकी? सोच लो आप, ये आपने डिसाइड करना है, आपने इसको सुधारना है. Okay, as for the objective of this session, it stays the same. We have to do the main idea, we have to map the passage, that is, thread all the paragraphs together, locate the important zones and decide if the gadi should be in first gear or third gear in this zone. Then we have to understand the types of questions. एक एक question आपको देखते ही पहचान आना चाहिए बच्चों, ये किस तरह का question है. Okay. And elimination techniques. POE, that's process of elimination. Those of you who don't know what these techniques are, you need to go back. In case you're a subscriber, you need to go back to your paid classes. And when I started your batch, the first two sessions were on POE. You need to get hold of that compilation of about 15 techniques. Some superb techniques are there. As for the people who are not my subscribers, I mean not iQuanta subscribers, you need to go and check back on this channel. आप जिस चैनल पे भी ये देख रहे हो, scroll back. There are some there is one playlist of mine, I know that for sure. एक तो RC 100 का है, दूसरा वाला भी एक है, in which you will get something like read between the lines, inferences, like different topics I bring. In that, scroll back to the second week of May. Okay. You have to go so far back and you will get my process of elimination. I had given a very detailed session on YouTube. So make the most of it, guys. चलो, आज तो हम लेके चलते हैं आपको ये वाला पैसेज. जाना पहचाना आपको लगेगा because this is a PYQ, PYP, previous year passage. But it has 6 questions. So this was from sometime in 2017 or 18 something. अब तो CAT आपको 4 questions देता है per passage. But again, there's no guarantee that again it's going to, in 2025 also, it's going to give you 4 questions only. It can go back to its 5 questions per passage or 6 questions per passage syndrome. Syndrome. Okay, so GPS, what is it about? Geneva's old town. Okay, something more than any what? Machine. What is it? GPS. Okay. Oh, printing press, iPhone. यार किसकी बात कर रहा है तू? Printing press भी है, GPS भी है, iPhone भी है. अच्छा आते हैं. So anyway, this is something related to technology, to the modern era, to how the economy changes, to how changes come in our life. ऐसा है. बहुत ही आसान टॉपिक होता है ये. Something you can understand and relate with. Now, before long, average people could travel. ठीक है, I'm just kind of glancing at my passage. बहुत बड़ा पैरा है, छोटे छोटे. Okay, हाँ बहुत cute सा passage है, कर सकते हैं. Sneak peek at the questions. The printing press has been likened to the internet. likened, this is one similarity point. Okay, so while reading the passage, if you come across any comparison point, in comparison it can be similarity or it can be difference. But any comparison point is a question pocket. What is a question pocket? A zone where you're likely to get a question. Okay. So बहुत प्यारा question है ये, एक जगह पे होगा ये. So this is specific. And we know internet and ये शुरू में ही कहीं पे होगा. ठीक है. According to the passage, the invention of the printing press did all of the following except TTTF. So this is what effects. Impact जिसको कहते हैं ना, इसका तो impact होगा, effects नहीं होगा. So printing press ने क्या क्या किया? When people invented it, what all happened? What was the impact? This should be para-specific. Generally ये होता है writing style में. One para is devoted to the factors, the reasons or effects. Okay, and there will be commas or something ऐसा. Steve Jobs predicted which one of ये क्यों दिया भाई? Which one of the following with the introduction of the iPhone? Steve Jobs. The passage is not on him. So this is a specific question. दिल खुश हो गया मेरा. I'm still waiting to see. अरे ये तो बिल्कुल ही specific है. छोड़ो ये तो आराम से करेंगे. Attributes the French and American revolutions. Again specific. The main conclusion of the passage is that the new technology has main conclusion overall. I'll do this later. In fact, last. Okay, so 6 questions हैं इसके. Let's go back. We need to see what the passage says. बहुत ज़्यादा reading इसमें तो बिल्कुल ही चाहिए नहीं. It's a waste of time. GPS, cobblestone maze of Geneva's old town. Even if you've never heard of Geneva before, capital G, old town, कोई place है. In search of a handmade machine that changed the world more than any other invention. Handmade machine. Is he looking for iPhone? No, he's looking for printing press. Colon. So this is your hero. But what is the angle connected to this printing press passage? कुछ तो होगा. Angle बोले तो you know the printing press brought a lot of revolutions to this world. Angle बोले तो the printing press now is obsolete and it's gathering dust in the attic of history. Maybe. Angle बोले तो the printing press actually came as a boon for writers. वो angle ले सकता है author. The printing press एक और angle हो सकता है. The printing press did a lot for the religions of the world. Why? Because people could kind of propagate the religions. वो एक angle हो सकता है. पूरा passage उस पे discuss कर सकता है. You get it? That's the angle I always look for. एक मुद्दा क्या है? तो हीरो तो ये है. ठीक है. Now, the angle is generally given here. सुना होगा आपने मेरे से ये. Correct? आज फिर सुन लो. This was the internet of its day. एक question तो मेरा इधर ही है. Likened to the internet. क्यों? At least as influential as the iPhone. Said this. Before the invention of the printing press, it used to take 4 monks to produce a single book. ये तो data है. This is not giving me the angle. Angle is opinion, conclusion, stress, assertion. Okay. So this was the internet of its day, at least as influential as this. अच्छा printing press क्यों liken किया है वो देखेंगे. ठीक है. जब question पढ़ेंगे तो वापस आएंगे. But I know this para is talking about the printing press and something good about the printing press. यहाँ पे बोला before 4 monks. तो मतलब you know after the printing press, the time got reduced to kind of produce a single book. It could be a blessing for readers. It could be a blessing for publishers, for writers. This could be. Right. Is the passage going to take up this angle? Only this angle that it was a blessing for readers and writers and publishers? First para के last 3 lines में तो वही लिखा है. Okay. So hero is here. Revolution यहाँ बोला है. okay, it brought this revolution with it, and like, the time got reduced, वगैरह वगैरह. Then, long para. Before long, average people could travel to places that used to be unknown to them with maps. Oh. So he's talking about the printing press not just as a blessing to writers and publishers and readers. He is also talking about other things that happened. There is a question, what all happened except बोला है ना. So medical information, travel, okay. अब यहाँ मैं skimming कैसे कर रही हूँ ये देखो. Offered, okay. अच्छा यहाँ पे तो इसका effects है. So ये नजर आ रहा है आपको, ये सीखना है आपने मेरे साथ. तो ये तो दिख रहा है यहाँ. अच्छा ये इफेक्ट से आएंगे ना, उस क्वेश्चन के लिए आएंगे, तब पढ़ेंगे भाई इत्मीनान से. अभी पढ़ के क्या सब कंफ्यूजन वैसी हो जाएगा. A question in the summer of this 10th anniversary of the iPhone. तो अभी तो प्रिंटिंग प्रेस की तारीफ कर रहा था, अभी आईफोन पे आ गया. अच्छा, there's a colon here. That's a question pocket where your car has to be on second gear, first or second gear. Pay attention to what he says. Has the device that is perhaps the most revolutionary given us a single magnificent idea? Oh, question anywhere with a question mark is connected to the main idea. This is what he says here. Has it been the most revolutionary thing? Has it given us a single magnificent idea? Nearly every advancement of this, okay, sure you can say, by putting it changed everything. अब उसकी तारीफ कर रहा है. It revolutionized this. Acha. Here's more of me, okay. But I don't get it. And one more casualty of Apple selling more than 1 billion phones, daydreaming has become a lost art. Is he praising the iPhone? I mean, in this paragraph, first I thought half the para was devoted to printing press and its tarif. And the second part, he was talking about iPhone and praising it. This is what I thought. And then he was comparing both the things, both the devices, the gadgets, right, the inventions. But when I started skimming, यहाँ पे तो question तो है, and this question is connected to the main idea कि क्या iPhone ने दिया है ये सब हमको. Then he starts saying these things, but when we go over to the last line, that catches my eye कि भाई last line में तो ये कह रहा है one more casualty. This is not causality. Causality is cause effect. ये कह रहा है casualty. Casualty तो hospital में होता है. Of Apple selling more than this, इतनी sale है. It has become a viral product. Daydreaming has become a lost art. So यहाँ पे दिमाग में आता है probably he is comparing iPhone with printing press, but he doesn't like the iPhone so much. Okay. For all of that, still waiting to see if the iPhone can do what? अच्छा. मुझे देखना है कि iPhone ने वो किया है कि नहीं किया, जितना printing press ने किया. Then again some effects are given here, some impacts. Religion, democracy, French American Revolution. Okay, ठीक है. तो दिमाग मेरा प्रोसेस कर रहा है, impacts वहां भी है, यहाँ भी है. यार ये प्रोसेसिंग तो आपके दिमाग को करनी पड़ेगी ना, मैं तो आगे कर नहीं सकती हूँ. अब आप मेरे से ये पूछोगे ये प्रोसेसिंग कैसे मैं करूं, मुझे कैसे पता कि ये भी आएगा वो क्वेश्चन के आंसर में रेंज. तो भाई ये तो दिख रहा है ना आपको, स्किमिंग करते टाइम तो दिख रहा है कि दीज आर द इम्पैक्ट्स. सो जब ये दिख रहा है तो ये तो प्रैक्टिस के साथ यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, इंप्रूव योर रीडिंग. Okay, not long after Steve Jobs. Okay, मैं ये नहीं पढ़ रही para because I know there's a question related to this. I'll come back. Okay, then the hope of the iPhone. I think this is the last para. Yes, so I'm going to read it. The hope of the iPhone and the internet in general. ज्ञान पॉइंट दो यहाँ मेरे बच्चों. इंटरनेट पहला पैरा में है, यहाँ पर भी है. So when you're looking for your answer to that question, like and wala, you have to check both the zones. Got it? Okay. Internet was that it would free people in closed societies. But the failure of the Arab Spring and the continued suppression has not borne that out. The iPhone is still young. Acha. Oh. But I'm not sure if the world changed for the better with the iPhone as it did with the printing press or merely. The last 3 lines are so important. They are giving me the idea. The author says the printing press did a lot. It brought about a lot of changes, but he's not sure whether the iPhone actually did that. सिर्फ चेंज किया है आईफोन ने, not for the better. Okay, this is what he says. So his tone towards printing press is laudatory, praising, eulogizing, extolling. Okay, his tone towards the iPhone is unsure, skeptical. Uh, what should I say? और क्या हो सकता है आईफोन के लिए? बहुत ज्यादा ऑब्जेक्टिव तो नहीं बोलूंगी मैं, बिकॉज ये अपने ओपिनियंस भी दे रहा है. Okay, so ये हो गया. Then I'll take you over to the questions. Question number 1. Let me clear all the jingalala. Has been likened to the internet for which one of the following reasons? Now we know there are only 2 zones जहाँ internet है. Correct? So internet यहाँ पर है. iPhone का hope क्या था? इसका ये क्या था? But एक चीज सोच के देखो. यहाँ पे internet mentioned है. But is it the similarity point between internet and printing press? नहीं. So we need to pay more attention to that zone. Sorry, ये था number 1. चलिए अब आप यहाँ देख लीजिए. ठीक है. इंटरनेट का डिक्शनरी मीनिंग, हर वर्ड का डिक्शनरी मीनिंग, आई मीन वी आर सपोज टू नो, ऐसा सोचता है कैट. तो इंटरनेट का डिक्शनरी मीनिंग आपको पता है. इवन इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी एक्सप्लेनेशन हियर, you should know the dictionary meaning and maybe connect with that. Okay, I'm taking you over to the question and options. Come on guys, start eliminating. जो नहीं है वहां पे 100% वो उखाड़ दो. Does it mention over there that it encouraged reading by giving them access to thousands of books? ये तो printing press ने किया था. Did the internet do this? No, it didn't. Right? So ये तो मेरा सबसे पहला elimination है. आपका भी हुआ होगा, है ना? Thousands of books printing press ने कर दिया. इंटरनेट का थोड़ी दिया. सिमिलैरिटी पॉइंट में थोड़ी है ये. थाउजेंड्स ऑफ बुक्स तो बाद की बात बताया उसने. व्हेन द इंटरनेट केम, पब्लिशिंग बिकेम सो इजी, प्रिंटिंग बिकेम सो इजी, ऐसा. राइट. लुक फॉर मोर एलिमिनेशन. pamphlets and literature in several languages. Was this about the internet? No. It's totally between A and B. Go on, eliminate and tell me the answer. It enabled rapid access to new information and the sharing of new ideas. All right. You have to understand the meaning of printing press and internet and compare. It represented new and revolutionary technology compared to the past. All right, I'll take you back. Question क्या बोल रहा है? Similarity. Right? Okay. I found what I was looking for, a Gutenberg printing press. This was the internet of its day. आज का जो इंटरनेट है, जो करता है, उस जमाने में प्रिंटिंग प्रेस वो करता था. क्या आज का इंटरनेट बुक्स छापता है? क्या आज का इंटरनेट पैम्फलेट्स देता है? आज का इंटरनेट इंफॉर्मेशन देता है? आज का इंटरनेट टेक्नोलॉजी देता? क्या करता है? थिंक अबाउट इट. एंड प्रिंटिंग प्रेस, इट वाज द इंटरनेट ऑफ इट्स डे. सो द वे टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन इज, यू शुड नो द मीनिंग ऑफ इंटरनेट, dictionary meaning, and it was the internet of its day means the printing press used to do exactly what the internet is doing today. Right? Okay. And then the passage talks about, like, if you just want to check the impacts, travel to places. People could travel to places that were unknown. कैसे? उनको मिला, कहीं कहीं से पैम्फलेट मिला, न्यूज मिला, जो भी, they could understand. पता चला उनको. New places. Medical information. Okay. Tyrants would never be able to kill a book or suppress an idea. Okay. 3-4 तो यही दिया हुआ है आपको सेकंड पैरा पे. थर्ड जो भी है ये. Go on. Now I'm sure you can eliminate. Right? Yes. So information, भाई, इंटरनेट का मतलब ही है information. It represented new and revolutionary technology compared to the past. Revolutionary technology compared to the past. इंटरनेट का ये पर्पस नहीं है ना इंटरनेट का पर्पस है न्यू इंफॉर्मेशन एंड आगे प्रिंटिंग प्रेस का जितना इम्पैक्ट दिया है, the author has talked about the impact in terms of information, free flowing information, and उसी information को compile करने के लिए, I mean the books used to be, the books would get printed, sorry, the books would get printed very fast and this helped in the dissemination of information. This is how the author has spoken about it in the whole passage. ठीक है, ये दोनों जो है, these two are left, and in case you are confused between the two, यहाँ पे you need to connect with the main idea. You know, you can just go down to the next para and check, is he talking mainly about some revolutionary technology or is he talking about some new information, you know, and sharing of new ideas. आगे भी जाके उसने फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन, अमेरिकन रेवोल्यूशन ये सब बोला है, how ideas were shared, information was disseminated, and how this helped bring revolutions. Okay, and one more gyan point over here. In case you're confused between these two, please जबरदस्ती का मत मारना, keep it for later. By the time you finish doing the other questions, you will get to know कि अच्छा यहाँ पे ना, oh okay, now it's clear कि कौन सा fit होगा. Okay, so इसका आपका definitely A. Then the invention of the printing press did all of the following except. So promoted the spread of enlightened. इसमें ना थोड़ा सा ढूंढना पड़ेगा, देख लेना पड़ेगा क्या बोला उसने, उसी में वो जो थर्ड पैरा है उसमें है. Medical information and religious texts. Okay. Promoted the spread of enlightened political views. Political देखना है, medical and religious देखना है. Shortened the time taken to produce books and pamphlets. Enabled people to perform various tasks simultaneously. मतलब लोग सुपरमैन और बैटमैन बन गए एक साथ, ना बहुत सारी चीजें करने लग गए. Right? So if you go back, you need to check political, medical, religious, shortened the time. Right? आप यहाँ देख लो, it used to take 4 months to produce a single book, right? Go back quickly, shorten the time is true, right? Medical, religious and political, अब आप देख लीजिए, यहाँ देख लीजिए अब आप, medical, right? बाकी आप ढूंढ लो. Okay, and something here, right? Okay, so I think this is pretty clear. Yes, the answer is this. How can the printing press enable people to do tasks simultaneously? Common sense भी यहाँ पे अगर लगाएंगे तो भी दिख रहा है कि that's the cranky one. Okay, question 3. Steve Jobs predicted which one of the following with the introduction of the iPhone? Okay, so introduction of the iPhone, Steve Jobs, it's a particular point, we need to go there. चलिए, Steve Jobs, Steve Jobs, Steve Jobs, आपका Steve Jobs का इधर था कहीं. Right, here. So you read this point and then I'll take you to the options. Bound book was probably headed for history's attic. वो लेके आया iPhone. Then the author says, not so fast, mister, not so fast. After a period of rapid growth in e-books, iPhone से आई e-books. Something closer to the medium for Chaucer's volumes had made a great comeback. Right? So इतनी जल्दी आप उसको, आप बुक्स को कहाँ भेज रहे हो, एटिक में. This is what he said. Right? So Steve Jobs ने क्या बोला? We are not going to answer what the author said. No, what did Steve Jobs say? That is only one small zone, right? You get it? चलिए eliminate करिए. People would lose interest in historical and traditional classics. Steve Jobs did not say any such thing. कि कौन सा genre चलेगा, कौन सा नहीं चलेगा. Out. People would switch from reading on the internet to reading on their iPhones. Reading on the internet to their iPhones. Isn't this faulty comparison? उसने बोला iPhone आ गया है टेक्नोलॉजी के बाद, people are not going to read the hard copies, the bound books. That's what he said. So this is faulty comparison, eliminated. I'm left with 3 and 4. आप बताइए. Did he say the production? Here the difference between these two is reading printed books. This is from the customer's side, reading, and this is from production. Did he say that production would fall? No, he said books, the bound books were headed for history's attic. Headed for history's attic. So bound book koi nahi padega. This is what he said. Here it doesn't mean that it would not be produced, it would not be made, all right. And then he says rapid growth in e-books, something closer. Okay, ye ho gaya, theek hai. So we are talking about people reading it. So reading printed books, this is your answer. Okay. Question 4. I'm still waiting to see if the iPhone can do what the printing press did for religion and democracy. This is given in one para, I remember. Which one of the following to indicate his uncertainty? कैसा question है ये? समझ नहीं आया. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to first go back and check iPhone can do, okay वाला ये जो है ना, here, this. I'm going to read this first and then go back and check the options. आप भी पढ़ लो. Why does he say this? He gives an example, guys, okay? The Geneva Museum makes a strong case and asserts that the printing press opened more minds than anything else. It's hard to imagine the French or American revolutions without the printing press. Those enlightened voices in print means वही print किया हुआ जो disseminate हो रहा था information, that is what they are talking about. So here he gives the example of Geneva Museum, right? It opened more minds and information was disseminated. ये हो गया यहाँ पे, ठीक है? I take you over to the question. Yeah. So, which one of the following does he use to indicate his uncertainty? Uncertainty फिर printing press के लिए तो नहीं होगा. This is what I mean when I say you have to understand the question. यार पूछ क्या रहा है वो, खाली options पे जाके कोई फायदा नहीं है. So uncertainty cannot be about the printing press because the author has praised it. So uncertainty is about this, right? So go down now and check the options. The rise of religious groups, the expansion in trolling and narcissism, okay? The continued suppression of free speech in closed societies, the decline in reading habits among those who use the device. Now, religion and democracy. I'll just take you back to that zone. एक बार यहाँ देख लो आप. And then probably you can check a little here as well. You get it? कुछ points आपको दिखेंगे दिए हुए. Just try to take those. And one more clue here. iPhone यहाँ है. iPhone ने ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया. ये तो स्टीव जॉब्स का बेकार सा पैराग्राफ है, छोड़ दो. iPhone ने क्या नहीं किया? The hope was this, but you get it? यहाँ से भी लेना है points. चलिए. So, let's eliminate now. The decline in reading habits, this is not the iPhone's drawback, or this is not the area where the iPhone failed. It had hopes of doing something, it could not do it. तो क्या हुआ? The continued suppression of free speech in closed societies, ये तो दे रखा है इसने. Free speech in closed societies, something of that sort. ये है ना यहाँ? Okay. The expansion in trolling and narcissism among users, iPhone का वो उस वजह से, iPhone की वजह से नहीं हुआ. So eliminated. It's totally between 1 and 3. Now the rise of religious groups, go back to the question, indicate his uncertainty that the iPhone failed. Maybe it failed. Where the printing press succeeded. ये author का opinion है भाई. Let him have his say. Okay. So this is what he says, that the iPhone did not do enough as much as the printing press did. So you have to just pick the last two options: rise of religious groups and continued suppression free speech in closed societies. Go back and prove one of the two. Okay. आईफोन का यहाँ भी बोला है ये. Do you see this? You can check that. The entire passage is actually talking about iPhone versus printing press. यहाँ भी है. Right. तो यहाँ तो डे ड्रीमिंग का लॉस हो गया है. This is what he says. Correct. But the question is when he says the iPhone did not do for religion and democracy, we can't go back to the daydreaming part. You get my point? So iPhone is there in every para, right? Here, 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 in the previous para, everywhere. But religion and democracy, so it can be, I mean, the answer can be either here or here. ये तो वैसे भी stupid है. मतलब स्टीव जॉब्स का बाउंड बुक्स विल हेड फॉर द एटिक ऐसा टाइप का है ना. सो आप देख लो अब एंड लेट्स गो एंड mark the answer. Okay, between this and this, yes, it is this because it's given there. It had hopes that it would liberate people. सबके दिमाग खोलेगा, सबकी जबान खोलेगा. It will help people come up with revolutions and go against the tyrants or whatever. But there is still suppression of free speech in closed societies. So iPhone का क्या फायदा हुआ फिर? Fail हो गया iPhone. Okay. The author attributes the French and American revolutions to the invention. बोला है उसने. Imagining the French and American revolution without the printing press उसने बोला है. Because. Why? Right? Go back. ये तो यहीं पर है, like, you have to check this. Go on. How did it help French and American revolution? जो आपके रेंज में है, we'll take it back and we'll start eliminating. Maps enabled large numbers of Europeans to travel and settle in the American continent. French and American revolutions के रेंज में ये बोला है travel? No. Travel is given in the second or third para somewhere. So it's not connected to this. The rapid spread of information exposed people to new ideas on freedom and democracy. I'll keep this because it's talking about revolution. So go on. Common sense भी लगा करके दो तो बचने चाहिए. It encouraged religious freedom among the people by destroying the monopoly of religious leaders on the scriptures. French and American revolution religious? It's not given there. It made available revolutionary strategies and opinions to the people. Yeah. So 2 and 4. Look for the difference between these two. ये बहुत important point होता है. Spread of information, new ideas, freedom, democracy. Connect it with the main idea. Connect it with the previous questions. Revolutionary strategies and opinions. I'll take you back. देख लो आप यहाँ. Right? Got it. Yes, I know you did. Yes, so it is connected with information and ideas and freedom, democracy. So this is your answer. Good. Question 6. Conclusion. Right. Are we done with all the others? ये कर लिया, ये कर लिया, ये भी कर लिया. कर लिए सारे हमने, right? अब छठा बच गया बस. Okay. Conclusion भाई. Okay. तो न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में कंक्लूजन पूछ रहा है. प्रिंटिंग प्रेस के बारे में नहीं पूछ रहा है. स्पेसिफिकली आईफोन का नहीं पूछ रहा है. टेक्नोलॉजी. ओके. कहाँ होगा कंक्लूजन बोले तो फर्स्ट आई विल गो टू द लास्ट पैरा. राइट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू रीड दिस रेंज. पढ़ लो एक बार अब आप. इट्स स्टिल यंग. न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी के अंडर ही आएगा आईफोन. ओके. But जहां आपने बट देखा बस उसके बाद तो जो द पोर्शन आफ्टर दैट इज डेफिनेटली मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट, राइट? ओके, वही है आपका रेंज बस। Being more wasteful than the printing press because people spend more time daydreaming or surfing. This is weird. Right out. Being disappointing. वही तो बोला उसने. Because it has changed the society too rapidly. This part is wrong. Process of elimination का वो point जो था, both the parts, check both the parts, both the parts should be correct. इसमें ये wrong है, ये right है. This is eliminated. Between A and B. Some advantages, but these are outweighed by its disadvantages. Oh, okay. So far not proved as successful as the printing press in opening people's minds. Bhai, ye to bahut easy hai now. Connect with the main idea, connect with the hero, connect with, the main thing that he's saying. Conclusion iska kya hai? So obviously, yes, it is this. It's all connected with opening minds, information, printing press, vis-a-vis the printing press. Aisa. So, the tone of the author in the whole passage is analytical. Writing style is analytical. Tone is kind of, I would say, opinionated because he kind of supports the printing press. So, and writing style is analytical. Comparison, iPhone, printing press, plus, minus, plus, minus. Got it, everyone. So we are done with this. Here's the answer sheet. A, D, C, C, B. C, C, B, B. Clear? All right. I'm going to meet you again soon. Keep learning. Thank you. Bye-bye.
आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो। अब मैं आपको एक शॉकिंग फैक्ट बताता हूँ। ये डेटा जो आपकी स्क्रीन पे शो कर रहा है कि iQuanta यूट्यूब चैनल के 60% व्यूअर्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते। सब्सक्राइब ना करने का रीजन ये हो सकता है कि यार एनीवे जो ब्राउज फीड है उस पर तो वीडियो आ ही जाता है, बट सब्सक्राइब क्यों करना चाहिए वो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। iQuanta यूट्यूब चैनल का अगर आप प्लेलिस्ट सेक्शन देखोगे, यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी यूजफुल प्लेलिस्ट मिलेंगी। अगर आपका अरिथमेटिक वीक है तो ये आप अरिथमेटिक प्लेलिस्ट यहाँ पे चेकआउट कर सकते हो। ज्योमेट्री वीक है तो ज्योमेट्री प्लेलिस्ट चेकआउट कर सकते हो। एल्जेब्रा में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है तो एल्जेब्रा प्लेलिस्ट। एंड नॉट जस्ट दिस, अभी करंटली जो प्लेलिस्ट चल रहा है वो बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट 200 क्वेश्चंस का एंड RC 100 वाला प्लेलिस्ट जो शबाना मैम का है। ये सारे जो प्लेलिस्ट के वीडियोस होते हैं इन पे उतने ज्यादा व्यूज नहीं होते बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली जो पढ़ने वाली जनता है वो बहुत कम है, बट अगर आप उनमें से एक हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो। रेगुलर बेस पे इन प्लेलिस्ट का वीडियो आता रहता है, आपकी फीड में आपको सबसे पहले दिखेगा। एंड नॉट जस्ट दिस, अब जो आने वाला टाइम है उसमें आपका कैट का फॉर्म आएगा, देन डिफरेंट एग्जाम्स के फॉर्म आएंगे, अलग अलग तरीके के नोटिफिकेशन आएंगे। जैसे ही कोई अपडेट कैट 25 से रिलेटेड आता है, सबसे पहले वो अपडेट आपको iQuanta यूट्यूब चैनल पर मिलने वाला है। तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल।